To fix DHgate not accepting your card, follow this step-by-step guide. First, ensure your card is eligible for international transactions, as DHgate is a Chinese e-commerce platform. Check with your bank to see if your card has any restrictions on international transactions. Next, verify that your card information is correct. Double-check the card number, expiration date, and security code to ensure they are accurate. A single mistake can lead to the transaction being declined. Check your card balance to ensure you have sufficient funds for the purchase. If your balance is low, consider adding more funds or using a different card. Also, be aware of any daily transaction limits set by your bank. If you have tried the above steps and still face issues, try clearing your browser cache and cookies. Sometimes, stored data can interfere with the payment process. Additionally, try using a different browser or device to rule out any browser-specific issues. Another possible solution is to use a different payment method. DHgate offers various payment options such as PayPal, Western Union, and bank transfers. Consider using one of these alternatives if your card is not being accepted. Finally, contact DHgate customer support for assistance. They can help you identify the issue and provide guidance on how to resolve it. You can also contact your bank to see if they can provide any additional information or assistance. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the issue of DHgate not accepting your card. Remember to always verify your card information and check with your bank for any restrictions or issues. Using a different payment method or contacting customer support can also help resolve the problem.